Okay, so let's start our class with the name of Allah, and you are supposed to do any one of you have to do the recitation. So let's give a chance today to Alishba. Then all the girls cover your head. But everyone will be getting a chance. Dear Alishba, you may start.
ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل ألم يجعل كيدهم في تضليل وأرسل عليهم طيرا أبابيل ترميهم بحجارة من سجيل فجعله
What happened, Alishba? Alishba, what happened, bete? You can recite any other. Sadaqallahul Azim. Jazakallah, Alishba. Okay, so as it's your GK block, so I hope that every one of you have completed your GK work and made those pictures. Just show it to me on the, through the camera. It will be blur, but still I want you to show it to me on the camera. I want everyone to show it to me on the camera. Okay, I can see Abraham's. Okay, Abraham. Okay, Amna. Okay, very good, Amna. It's a very nice way to do it. You made a sort of booklet, right? And then you sticked it on the one page, right? Good, very good. Okay, Abraham, very nice, excellent. Okay, Alishba, I can't see the pictures. I can see something. I can just see something written on in the copy. I wanted complete. Before coming to school, I want these tasks which are done online to be completed. ये नहीं कि स्कूल आने के बाद आई एम मेकिंग श्योर दैट आप सबका काम कंप्लीट हो रहा हो. I want you to do it before coming to school. Ji Maham, you're not supposed to look at me and listen. Show me your copy. Fariha, Talbiya, Mahin, open your cameras and show me your copies that you have done the work. I want to see the work that you people have done that I gave you earlier. Okay, Maham, now open it and kindly, show me the work. आगे जाइए Maham. Okay, Maham. Okay, only three. Only now Maham and Abraham and Amna showed me their work. What about the rest of the students? Okay, Fariha, I can see your work as well. Okay, so you have pasted all the pictures in one page. Okay, good, Maham. Okay, Fariha, good. बेटे ये तो बहुत ज्यादा वो हो गया ना. आपकी फरीहा, आपकी जो पिक्चर्स हैं, इज देयर नेम रिटन ऑन द पिक्चर? नेम लिखा हुआ है पिक्चर में? शो इट टू मी अगेन. ओके, Maham, good. Okay, so the pictures have the name. Okay, fine, Fariha. Okay, Talbia, what about the pictures? Where are the pictures? Abdullah, camera खोलिए. Okay, Talbia, I can see the question answers only. Very good, Hassan. It's looking nice. Zainab, Hiba, Ayan Ashraf, Rehan. Where's your work? Alishba, Hiba. जी हिबा अनम्यूट कीजिए, बोलिए. I can't hear you, Alishba. I can't hear you, बेटा. आपकी आवाज बहुत दूर से आ रही है. तो आपने क्यों नहीं किया? Why haven't you done that? Why? Unmute कीजिए. बेटा क्या टाइम नहीं मिला? You had so many days to do it. I gave you this homework on Wednesday or Thursday. You had the week, you had 2 days of weekend, and there were so many days you could have completed. I wanted completed done before coming to school. Yes, Zainab, where's your work?
जो मैं कंप्लीट करके दिखा दूंगी.
बेटे कब दिखाएंगी? कब कंप्लीट होगा? हुआ क्यों नहीं अभी तक? जी हसन, अनम्यूट कीजिए.
This when the group A will go, the online classes will end.
Yes. Obviously, we'll be going to school. How will we take the class of group B in, from home, right? So it won't be
Miss, what
possible.
will the group B do?
Some tasks that will be given by us to you. You will be doing those tasks in the whole week.
Okay.
जी अब्दुल्ला, अनम्यूट कीजिए.
मिस, जैसे हम ग्रुप ए स्कूल जाएंगे तो ग्रुप बी घर पे ऑनलाइन क्लास लेंगे?
नहीं, कैसे लेंगे ऑनलाइन क्लास? जब स्कूल टीचर स्कूल में होंगी तो वो या तो ग्रुप बी को पढ़ाएंगी या वो ग्रुप ए को पढ़ाएंगी ना.
ऑनलाइन क्लासेस नहीं लेनी है?
नहीं ना, फिर आप अपने ग्रुप बी में, अब आप ग्रुप बी के आने का वेट करेंगे. ओके जी. अयान अशरफ, बोलिए. You raised your hand, बेटा.
मिस सॉरी, वो नेशनल का नहीं किया मेरा काम, मैं ब्रेक भी करके दे दूंगा.
बेटा, most of you people haven't completed your work. कैसे हम आगे काम कंटिन्यू करेंगे, बताइए मुझे. I want it complete by today, by the end of this day. Now open your GK books and open page number 27. Open your GK books and open page number 26. Open page number 26. Open page number 26, and after opening it, send me a thumbs up. जी अब्दुल्ला बोलिए, बोलिए।
मिस
जी
मिस
जी बेटा बोलो।
मिस आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
बेटा मेरी आवाज क्यों नहीं आ रही? हेलो, अब आ रही है?
हाँ मिस आया।
जी
हाँ
बोलिए, बोलिए।
मिस वो अभी कौन सा काम करना है?
मैंने आपसे कहा ओपन पेज नंबर 26 इन योर जीके बुक।
मिस आई डोंट हैव जीके बुक।
लेकिन बेटे तो आप कब लेंगे जीके बुक?
मिस मुझे उर्दू बाजार से मिल ही नहीं रही।
तो बेटे जहाँ से आपने पूरा कोर्स लिया उनसे दोबारा पूछें। कब तक आप बुक
मिस
नहीं लेंगे बेटा?
अपने उर्दू बाजार से ली थी। भाई कह रहे हैं उर्दू उर्दू बाजार में नहीं है।
बेटे मेक श्योर टेक इट एज सून एज पॉसिबल, क्योंकि मैं आप लोग को काम देती रहूंगी, मैं वेट थोड़ी करूंगी बेटा आपके लिए कि आप बुक लेकर आओगे, देन आई विल बी गिविंग यू द होमवर्क एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स। शो मी योर बुक्स। Those who are having the books, kindly show it to me. Hurry up. Okay, Talbiya, I can see your book. Okay, Zainab, I can see your book as well. Okay, Hassan, Abraham, and Ashraf. Okay, Maham, Maheen. Alishba, where is your book? Hiba, where is your book? Yes, Hassan, I can see it. Rehan, Fariha, open your cameras. Rehan, no need to give me a thumbs up. Okay, Maheen, very good. Amna, very good. Alishba, good. Okay, Rehan, good. Fariha, open your camera, show me the book. Okay. Fariha, open your camera, beta. Hurry up. Okay. So, as you all must have read the title of the page. It says about the land and rivers of Pakistan. Okay. So, what we will be learning about Pakistan today? We'll be learning about the land and the rivers of Pakistan. Okay. So, because some of the students are not having the book, so I will be sharing my screen so that everyone can see it easily. Just give me a second, I'll open it. Here's my screen. Okay, so those who aren't having the book, kindly look at the screen. Okay, so do anyone can anyone do the reading? किसी को reading करनी है? Okay, so let's give a chance to Hassan. Okay, Hassan, read the first paragraph.
Pakistan has high snow-covered mountains, valleys, plains, dry deserts, and a long coastline.
Okay,
Pakistan
excellent.
has
Okay, thank you, Hassan. Thank you. I just asked you to read this only. Okay, so as we are learning about the land and rivers of Pakistan, कि पाकिस्तान में कितना बड़ी बड़ी जगह जो है वो लैंड जमीन है और कितनी कितने जो है वो सॉरी और कितने जो हैं वो उनके पास रिवर्स हैं. ठीक है. So Pakistan has snow-covered mountains. Okay, so as Pakistan has mountains, so it has some snow-covered mountains also. Okay, then it has valleys, it has plains, it has dry deserts, and a long. Okay, you people can't hear me, I guess. Can you all hear me? Just give me a thumbs up if you all can hear me. नहीं फरिया, इसको कॉपी में नहीं लिखना है. Okay, so let's move back. Okay, so as in the first paragraph, they were saying that Pakistan has snow-covered mountains, valleys, plains, dry deserts, and a long coastline. Okay, so have you ever thought that what does the word coastline means? What does the word coastline means? Okay, so the word coastline means that uh, the land. Okay, first of all, we need to understand about the word coast. Okay, the word coast is defined as the part that adjoined near the sea. जो कोई ऐसा पार्ट, ठीक है, एक कंट्री का ऐसा पार्ट या माउंटेन्स कंट्री का ऐसा पार्ट जो किसके साथ एडजॉइंट हो रहा हो, किसके साथ अटैच हो रहा हो टू अ सी. ठीक है, I'll show you some examples as well. I have taken out some pictures for you people, so you can see it and your confusion will be cleared. Okay, so the coastlines are known as along the land along a coast. ठीक है, एक लैंड जो है वो एक coast के साथ बना हुआ है. That means जो sea की edge के साथ adjoint हुआ है. Okay, valleys. What does the word valleys mean? It actually means a low area of land between hills or mountains. ठीक है, एक छोटा area of land, a small area of land which is between the hills or the mountains. ठीक है, and typically a river is flowing through it. मतलब उसके बीच में से एक छोटा सा river भी जाता हुआ. You can see it. Okay, I will be showing you a picture of a valley as well. Okay, so there's another word, plains. What are plains? ठीक है, a plain is a flat land. ठीक है, it is everywhere on the earth. ठीक है, and there are different types of that. So it will be a different topic, but we are not going over there. ठीक है, so these are the words used over here. ठीक है. Okay, now I'm sorry I didn't share it. Okay, so let's read the second paragraph. Okay, so who's going to read the second paragraph? Okay, so let's give a chance to Abraham. Yes, Abraham, unmute कीजिए and read this paragraph.
Pakistan has a number of rivers. The western and northern parts of Pakistan have many mountains. In the north, Pakistan has snow-covered mountains, some of which are the highest peak in the world. A group of mountain is called a range.
Excellent. Thank you, Abraham. Thank you. You were supposed to read till range. Okay, thank you so much, Abraham. Okay, Pakistan has a number of rivers. Okay, so as all the countries have rivers, so Pakistan is also one of those countries who are having a number of rivers. Okay, who has the rivers? The western and northern parts of Pakistan have many mountains. Okay, so they say that the western and northern parts of Pakistan have many mountains. ठीक है, बहुत सारे माउंटेन्स हम नॉर्दर्न पार्ट ऑफ पाकिस्तान में भी फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं और वेस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ पाकिस्तान में भी फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, in the north Pakistan has snow covered mountain. Have you heard about the northern areas? ठीक है, उन northern areas में there are snow covered mountains. ठीक है, जहाँ पे mountains जो है ना वो completely किससे covered हुए हुए? Covered by the snow. ठीक है, most of the people go, you know, to spend their holidays and their vacations over there to see those covered snow covered mountains. Okay, in the northern areas. Okay, I hope some people of you have also went there. Some of which are the highest peak in the world. Okay, so the highest peak मतलब जो सबसे top बड़ा mountain है, it is in the Pakistan. Okay, अब जो world में है, it is in the Pakistan. Okay, a group of mountains is called a range. हम एक group of mountain को क्या कहते हैं? Range. We call a group of mountain range. ठीक है, range is also known as the group of mountains. Okay, so okay, let's move towards the next paragraph, and I will be giving a chance to Hiba. जी हिबा, unmute कीजिए and just read the next paragraph till south. यहाँ तक read कीजिएगा. Just start reading from the eastern part till south. Yes, Hiba, you may start, beta. Okay, excellent, Hiba. Very good. Very good. Okay, so they are saying that the eastern part of Pakistan, oops. Okay, so they are saying the eastern part of Pakistan has plains. ठीक है, the eastern, अभी मैंने आपको बताया. ठीक है, so along, you know, plain surface, plain area. ठीक है, तो जो eastern part of Pakistan है ना, ठीक है, it has what? The plains. ठीक है, Pakistan has many rivers. पाकिस्तान के पास बहुत सारे rivers भी हैं. As we learned here earlier that Pakistan has a number of rivers. Pakistan has many rivers. ठीक है, the Indus River is the longest river of Pakistan. कौन सा सबसे longest river है? It is the Indus River. ठीक है, which is the longest river of Pakistan. सही है, which starts from the snow-topped mountains. जो कहाँ से start हो रहा है? Snow-topped mountains in the north. जो northern area के snow-topped mountains है ना, it's starting from there and it ends in the Arabian Sea to the south. ठीक है, वो नॉर्थ से शुरू हो रहा है और वो अरेबियन सी साउथ में जाके एंड कर रहा है. ठीक है, you people all are having the book, right? Okay, I'll share my second screen. First of all, let's end the last paragraph. I am reading by myself, and then I'm showing you the you know Indus River in your book. Okay, so then it says Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj and Kabul. Kabul are the other main rivers of Pakistan. Okay, so they have given some of the names and they have said that these are the main rivers of Pakistan. Okay, so you can see over here in the picture the snow-covered mountains. Okay, you can see these snow-covered mountains. Okay, now let me share the next picture so that you people Okay, so that I can show you the river. Okay, so here's my screen and see. Okay, they said that the Indus River. Those who are having the book now, just look into your book at page number 27. That the Indus River is starting from here. This is the north part. Okay, as you all know that. Wait, this is the north, east, west, and south. Here is the direction map. Okay, so this is the east, north, west, and south. Okay, now this Indus River starts from here. Can you all see it? Can you all see my cursor moving over here? Okay, so the Indus River is starting from here near the Karakoram. Okay, and then it's going all the way through these deserts and running towards the Arabian at the south. Okay, Arabian Sea is over here in the south, and this is the northern part. Okay, so in this river is starting from the northern part and it's moving towards the Arabian Sea. Is it clear? It must be clear through the map. It's very easy. जहाँ पे वो पूरी लाइन चलती हुई आ रही है ना, उस पूरी लाइन पे सी इट्स रिटन इंडस रिवर. It's starting from here. ठीक है, it's starting from here and this is Indus River. Then it's moving over here, going through the Thar Desert, and then it comes. Then the Suleiman Range comes over here, and then here comes the Indus River. Then it's continuing its part over here, moving towards the Ketar Range, the Thar Desert, and then coming towards the Arabian Sea. Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone? जी एलिजबा बेटा अनम्यूट कीजिए. बोलो बेटा.
8 की क्लास है.
टीचर कुछ भी नहीं, वो मैंने पहले रेज हैंड किया था जब आप वो पढ़वा रही थी.
जी अब्दुल्ला अनम्यूट कीजिए. बोलिए अब्दुल्ला. अब्दुल्ला बोलो बेटा जल्दी.
मिस अनम्यूट का ऑप्शन नहीं आया था. मिस इसके बाद कौन सी क्लास है?
बेटे 10:05 पे आपकी ब्रेक स्टार्ट होगी एंड आफ्टर दैट यू विल सॉरी आपकी 9:35 पे ब्रेक स्टार्ट होगी एंड योर ब्रेक विल एंड ऑन 10:05. ठीक है, 10:05 पे आपकी ब्रेक जो है वो एंड होगी एंड देन यू आर सपोज टू रीजॉइन द क्लास फॉर योर न्यूमरेसी क्लास. ओके, at 10:05. Okay, so as I promised that I'll be showing you the pictures of valleys and coastlines. So here is the picture for the valley. Okay, oops. मैंने अपने पास खोल ली and so sorry. So here is the picture for the coastline. Can you all see it? देखिए यहाँ पे the mountains are touching the sea. ठीक है, so you people मतलब हम mostly यहाँ पे जब इस जगह पर जाते हैं तो we are able to see this coast, right? So these type of views are known as the coastlines. Okay, so then I also said that I'll be showing you the picture of valleys, right? So just give me a second. I'm opening it. Okay, so here is the picture of the valley. Here is the picture of the valley, right? See there. This is the any river going through it. Okay, this is a valley, right? As I told you before. Okay, so the last thing that was it. I'll be showing it to you. Okay, so it was the plains, right? Okay, I saved a picture of a plane. Where it okay here. Okay, so here is the picture of the plane. Can you all see it? जी अब्राहम अनम्यूट कीजिए बेटा.
Teacher,
जी बोले बेटा.
teacher, I think that was Indus River because Indus River is the. Are you showing the picture of Sindh?
No, beta, I wasn't showing the picture of Sindh. It was just a random picture I took. I saved it from Google to give you an example that the valleys look like this. It has hills or it has mountains and a small river is going through it. It was just an example picture to clear your mind that how will it look. ठीक है, जिस तरह मैंने आपको समझाया ना कि जो वैलीज होती है वो इस तरह होती हैं, तो उसको क्लियर करने के लिए आई शोड यू अ पिक्चर. मतलब जैसे आई टोल्ड यू दैट प्लेन्स आई हैव अ सी दिस इज अ प्लेन सरफेस. कैन यू सी इन द पिक्चर? दिस इज अ पिक्चर ऑफ अ प्लेन. ठीक है, so it has 80% of the plane surface, so these are known as the planes. ठीक है, is it clear? Okay, so after 3 minutes, अच्छा एक तो हमारी क्लास भी ओवर होने वाली है, and after 3 minutes your break is supposed to start. Okay, so this is it for your GK class today, and in the next GK class I want you to sit with your copies and your books. So get your books with yourself before the next class. Okay, and stop doing these things. It doesn't look good. Okay, so I hope that this chapter is also covered today and there is no confusion. If you have any confusion, you can raise your hand and ask questions. Ji Hiba bolo beta. Anusha, when we yawn now, we keep our hand on the mouth. Ji beta Hiba. Bolo beta. Yeah. No, you don't need the class. If the class will end, you don't need to rejoin it because it's your break time now. Go and do your breakfast, okay? And then rejoin the class at 10:05. Okay? On it's a you have a 25 to 30 minutes break, okay? So you can have your meal, okay? Drink water, go washroom, and then rejoin the class at 10:05 for your numeracy class. Okay, okay, so you may go now. It's 9:35. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz. We'll meet again after some minutes. Allah Hafiz.